Hi guys, Kim and Kathy here from the Health Clinic, and we just want to talk to you guys about what's inside the first aid kit backpacks that we have. This can be taken on field trips and sports trips, and then also the impact trips coming up. And so let's take a look at what's inside.
So here's the first aid kit, and on the very outer pocket you can see a CPR face mask if you have need for that, and then unzip the outer pocket and you'll see your little cheat sheets here. On the cheat sheets, there's a life-threatening allergy list that has a front and a back. So you can look at that for any students you're concerned about who have allergies. You should familiarize yourself with that before you go on the trip. On this sheet, you have a front only, and it has all the supply list. It's very clearly written. Also in the outer pocket is Benadryl for any type of allergic reactions a student's having, an albuterol inhaler. You should familiarize yourself with that by looking up a YouTube video if you don't know how to use it, and then gloves.
Okay guys, and inside the main pocket there are 3 bags, and you'll see the first bag here is a yellow bag, and inside that bag are all the medications that we have, with the exception of the Benadryl, which is in the outside pocket. I just want to talk about a few medications that are really important, namely aspirin. There are 3 tablets inside the aspirin packet, and if an adult is, you think, maybe having a heart attack, give him those right away, him or her, and have them chew it and swallow it and get them to seek medical treatment right away. Another thing is, if you're concerned about low blood sugar or dehydration, and again, this is adult or child, you can go ahead and give them one of these dextrose packets. The instructions are on there. But then in that case too, if you're giving them that because you're concerned about low blood sugar or dehydration, you should also be seeking medical attention. And lastly, one more thing that's important is we have an antidiarrheal in here. This is really only in the case where someone is having multiple episodes of diarrhea and dehydration is the main concern. And in that case, you want to stop the diarrhea if you can. And again, seek medical attention. Everything else is self-explanatory. And also in each packet, there are instructions. So you can see that when you open up the yellow bag.
In the blue bag, you can see we have lots of wound supplies. Again, it's all labeled on the outer pocket, but you can get anything that you need in this blue packet.
And in our last bag inside the bag is the red bag. And inside here is just some miscellaneous things, namely some hand sanitizer, also some menstrual pads, and a few other things.
Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can come to us personally and we'll help answer any of your questions. Remember to grab your backpacks for any trip you have. Thank you.
Bye.